Okay, converting. How many degrees in a circle? 360. How many radians in a circle? 2 pi. Thus, think about it. 360 is equal to 2 pi. If I divide each side by 2, 180 degrees divided by pi. So now divide each by 180. So 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180. So that's going to be our basic conversion factor to work in these problems right here. So first off, let's do this here, or by pi. So if I take 180 and divide it by pi, and pi divided by pi makes 1. So my conversion is either pi over 180 or 180 over pi. So what we're going to do is this. Let's change 135 degrees to radians. Radians, remember? And what exactly were the radians? Well, hold on a second, remember? Radians. 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 Okay, there we go. I'll turn my other music off. Don't forget, got to have a little bit of that flavor in there. Go back to radians. So basically, here's what we know. If I want to convert 135 degrees, I'm going to multiply it by pi over 180. And guess what's going to happen? Like in your science, you know how you cancel out degrees, you're left with radians. And basically, you're going to end up with 135 pi over 180 is your answer, except you have to reduce it. Now, I'll give you a hint. You can go to math fraction and just do 135 divided by 180. Math fraction enter, and it will reduce it to 3/4. Don't put the pi in it, just add the pi back in your answer. Or, I knew this, 45 went into each of these. If I reduced it, if I could reduce by 5, it would go into each of these. Basically, 135 over 180 reduces to 3/4 pi. So, how would I do 540? Well, once again, I want to convert it from degrees to radians, so I'm going to put the degrees on the bottom. So when I multiply this, I have 540 pi over 180. The degrees cancel out. And I believe 180 will go into 540 exactly 3 times. So the answer is 3 pi. And I can do the same thing for negative 270 degrees. Simply multiply it by pi over 180. Degrees cancel. I'll have negative 270 over 180, which, hey, I know this 90 goes in each of those. So it's negative 3 over 2 pi. That's how you convert from degrees to radians. Simply multiply by pi over 180.